Welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Avatar Legends, the fighting game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on black screen, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not opening, not launching, won't start, or other issues on Xbox. So let's find the solutions. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next is check for Avatar Legends, that's fighting game update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often release patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue as it can occur due to contemporary glitches. Press Xbox symbol on your controller. Now move down to Profile and System. Here select Settings, Set System, Console Info. Then select Reset Console. After that, select Reset and keep My Games and Apps option. And then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to Profile and System. Click on Settings, click on System, click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or game to create space. And after that, launch it and check. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage as shown in the image, and now launch the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Now go to account, remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if it's working. Next is to reinstall Avatar Legends, the fighting game. For that, press Xbox button controller and move to My Games and Apps. Select See All option. Here select Avatar Legends, the fighting game, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Avatar Legends, the fighting game official website and download the game and then check if everything is working fine. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about their. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.